Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn how to create local user, how to add that user in the local administrators group, and how to delete that user through the group policy. There are multiple ways to create the user account in the local computer. What you can do, go to server manager, come here, open the computer management, come here local users and group and users, and right click here and type any username that you want to. Kapil, give a password. Your account is here. If you want to add that user in the administrator group, you can come here, administrators, select add and select your user. Okay. It is necessary to select the local computer if your computer is joined to the domain. Otherwise, by default, it is taking domain name. Okay. You're also having option to add that user. Just right click from here, properties, go to the member of, and then you can add user here if you want to. Now we can delete this if you want to. Select this. Yes. Before that, I just want to show you one more thing. If you want to remove that user from the group, just select this and remove. Okay. And now you want to delete this. Select and delete. So this is manual way of doing this. But what happened if you are having 500 computers or more than 500, and they are asking you to create one local user account and asking you to add those users or user in a particular local administrator group and delete some other unwanted users. So it will be long task, right? So we will do this, no problem. And you can also see, I will show you that later. Okay, so this is my domain controller, and I'm going to use my group policy to this computer INDEDC01. So it is necessary for me to remember where my computer is. So I can just run this command, get have an AD computer, run this, and I can see my computer is lying here. So China computers. Okay, group policy management. So now I can see China and computers. So it is good idea to create the group policy here. So we can give a name, local account manage, MENT. Okay, I can copy this, it will be required for me. Okay, so now I will come here. So I'm only having single computer, so no need to change anything here or here. But if you are having different thing, different computers lying in different locations, then you need to think. I have created another video in detail. You should watch that to understand better how group policies are troubleshooted and how to plan them, how to apply and how to confine. So local users and group here, If you select create, you are not having any option to type something. You can't create. So support Prem here. If I select create, you can see Prem is getting highlighted. Still you want to say okay, just apply, and you are seeing this preference requires the CP password attributes. So it is not allowing you to create the group, to create the user by using this method. Okay, so what you can do, I try to just understand what that error is. Here you can see this preference requires a CP password attribute, because here you can see some group policy preference can store password. This functionality is being removed because the password was restored insecurely, and these are the things which can use the password. So I decided to do by using some workarounds mentioned here, but those are looking very long for me, so I thought to use any another way to achieve my requirement. So what I will do, I will just try to get this by using the task scheduler and some other ways as well, but everything will be or through the group policy. Here I can come, select this one, or paste the same name here, select create, and here we can type system system, select OK, select this as well, and select this as well. Here we are going to just add some action. That is also challenging things. You need to put it here because this is PowerShell path. PowerShell is not required. You can use a CMD as well, and that and define the correct path of your CMD, like C Windows System 32 cmd.exe. Okay, so here this is the path of my PowerShell, and that is the command net user. Radhey is my username. You can change the name accordingly, and Tiger at $4567 is my password. Let me change this at the rate. I don't know whether it will take or not. Okay, here we need to ensure that it is showing create. Okay, and we just need to select trigger. Weekly is fine for me. You can change accordingly, and you can just delete once your requirement is clear. So now time is showing on my desktop 6:06. Let me change it to 8 and the 15 seconds. So my group policy has been applied. Let's see, we can just run this. Quickly, I need to do this. So you can see there is no task scheduler here. Task scheduler has been created. and it will run at 608 and will create a one user that will be called Radhe. So here we can run the command net user. Now we can see we have administrator, guest account, default account, mark, and same thing you can see here as well, computer management, right? So we need to just wait for the time. So now it is about to create. If all are good, account should be created. Okay, let's refresh this. Not this one, this one. Why it is running? See, Radhe has been created, and if you want to just check from here as well, you can also see Radhe has been created. Now you can see it has not been added here, right? Sorry, this one. This one has not been added in the administrator group. We will add this. So what you just need to do, come here again, edit, preferences, control panel. Now we'll come here, select group. We can select update because we are not going to create. Administrators built in. No need to check anything here. Just come here and type your username. Radhey. Okay. Apply OK. So now task schedule has been created. No need to change anything in this there. So I just come here and run the GP update and see what is happening. Looking fine till now. See, user has been added here. We are going good till now. Now you want to delete, right? Another one, or you can just choose this as well, but I will choose another one. Here we are having mark. Mark I do not want delete because Mark is my administrator for this computer. I will create another one. So what can I do? I will create my another user. I'm coming here. Computer management. Type Sham. Okay. Now you can see Sham is here, and I want to delete this. So I will come here. What will I do? I will come here. preferences. Let me try by using this way. Delete SHYAM. Sam is not here, right? Let me show you another way as well. As I told you in the beginning, there are multiple ways to do the multiple things. Depending how much you know, how much you spend time on those particular things. Okay, Christian, right? So I can come here. Before that, I should come here, and I need to change the name here. One more thing I want to tell you that is not part of this video. From computer points of view, Krishan, Sham, Radhe, looking three different name, but those are the name for God, Krishan in India. They are multiple name. They are being recognized with multiple names. So I just need to replace this here. Apply. Okay. Now just change this. Those are very small commands, but I will put in my videos. Here you can see Christian is here, and we can just force. Okay, task scheduler should run, right? So I just come here. I need to change the time of that as well. Sometimes I forget. Okay, what is the time now? It's just 6:16, so we will set it to 6:18, and we should come here. If we have, because we are doing this through task scheduler, so task scheduler should aware what has been changed. Okay, let me verify. Time has been changed in the task scheduler. No, what happened? It is not updating. Oh, many things I need to remember. 618. Okay, just do it quickly. 61854. It should be updated before the time pass. And now, yeah, 618. It is finished quickly. Yes. So we can create the user, we can add the user in the group, we can delete the user, we can do these things by using the PowerShell. So that's all for this video. If you have learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.